Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 1, week number 3. Thanks so much for joining us. Here are our 3 timings. The first gear goes step, step, triple step, 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 and triple step. Our second gear, the Charleston, goes rock, step, kick, knee, kick, step. Our third gear goes rock, step, triple step, triple step. New today was 2 shapes that we did in the third gear. It looked like rock, step, let's straight sides, and triple step, and rock, step. We also did a version of it where instead of finishing apart, we would do turn and catch, and we would finish together. That looks like rock, step, triple step, and now we're together, and there you go. We put together this little loop that mixed and matched all 3 of our gears. 2 Charlestons, 1 swing out, trading sides, turn and catch. That goes rock, step, kick, knee, kick, step. Rock, step, kick, knee, kick. Swing out, rock, step, triple step. Let's trade sides now. Rock, step, triple step. Turn and catch, rock, step, triple step. Now we're together, and there you go. Week number 3. Thank you very much for joining us.